Hello and welcome. So how do you sell on TikTok Shop without 5,000 followers? Now it's very simple and it's very easy. Now, first of all, let's just go ahead to the seller center here, to the affiliate homepage, because I'm going to be teaching you I'm going to be clearing out all these controversial topics about this one, regarding this one about having 5,000 followers. Well, it's true that you do need 5,000 plus followers, so in order for you to sell on the actual site itself, like on the TikTok site, but on the TikTok shop where we're at right now, we could absolutely do it without 5,000 plus followers. So these are the loopholes that people call it on the e-commerce community. Let's just go ahead to the TikTok login right here, the actual account. There's absolutely a way for us to do this indirectly. You could do this on your account as well, even if you don't have any 5,000 followers yet. And I want to show you a trick. Just going to upload a video and then add the link to your product on this particular video that you are going to be uploading. So just add the link that you had from your TikTok shop store, and then you could add it here on your videos on the direct file. So there's no option for us to do this directly where we could sell directly here because we don't have 5,000 plus followers. But if you just use the link, they'll be directed directly to your account. Now go ahead and select file right here. Let's go ahead and upload the video here. You could just put the cover. What type of video you're uploading doesn't really matter as long as you have the link to your seller's account. So just go ahead and click post once you've added the link here, and there you have it. That's the first option for us to sell on the actual TikTok account here. So the next way we're going to do this is going to the seller center itself. Going to the seller center is a lot more easier than going directly to the account, because it'll save us a lot of hassle. You don't have to wait for a lot. So products, we're on the seller center here. Manage products. We are selling this directly, so you don't need to have 5,000 followers. Directly on the shop, of course. Add products right here. Let's just wait for it to load a little bit here. Now, basic information, the name of the product. So let's say that you're trying to sell a basketball right here. What's the name that we've been doing this? It's just put basketball and basketball for sale. Let's just use it. You could use whatever title you like, of course, as long as it fits to the actual niche itself. So let's just make sure that it exceeds the amount of characters here, like 25. So 101 sample, just to add things up. Now once we add things up, what's the category? So it's of course in sports and outdoor. So it's ball sport, equipment for ball sports. So it's really crucial to fill all this up. The brand, let's just say it's Spalding or Molten. Let's choose Molten. And you should use legitimate brands, by the way. It's not going to work if it's not legitimate. So sport type equipment, basketballs, earphones, scoreboard. So there's a lot of options here. Obviously, basketball. Quantity per pack, how many balls do you have? So let's just click to here. Material. So what's the material that it's made of? It's obviously a high quality rubber right here. So it's A plus material. So this is obviously rubber. So just click add and it'll add it directly to the prompt here. So age group, is it for adults or kids? Use both, or you could just use adults here. Go ahead. Now you could go ahead and upload so you scroll down a little bit here. Upload the photo of the ball itself, or you could do this whatever with a file, or if you're trying to sell an audiobook, you could do it here. The link, just upload. Yeah, it's very, very, very convenient, this platform right here. So I'll just scroll down. Let's go ahead and continue with the description here. Yeah, there's a lot of options here. You could use template or upload an image. I'm talking about the part where you try to upload a photo. So let's just scroll down a little bit here. Product details. Here we go. Add the description like you're trying to sell your product, right? So it's really important that you keep in mind and you pay attention to the details, that make sure that they fit the exact details that you want to fit. So up here, you're going to put the description of your product. Just trying to sell it. If you're a good sales talker, this is going to be on the description of your product, like a high quality basketball for adults. So that's basically what the description above previously when we did this indicates. So just go ahead and adult size, Molten branded, so it's really branded. So depending on the brand, you could also up the price depending on the brand if you're selling a high quality product like Molten, for example. So you can just put it here, the price, the product, the quantity, how many balls, how many do you have in stock here. Just go down, and now how much does it weigh? So let's just go to the kilograms. So depending on the weight and the size of your product, when it's parceled, it'll also adjust on the shipping fee. So the shipping fee here is 100 plus, and just product dimensions here, 5 by 5 by 5. Guess it's round, right? It's a ball. So let's just scroll down a little bit here. We're almost done. We're done with the price. I'm just reviewing a little bit here just to make sure that we're up and tidy when it comes to all this. Remember, we are selling, so again, read all this. It's about the shipping calculation based on the actual weight and volume weight. So see, so it's estimated. Just read all that. Cash on delivery. If you want to receive the cash as soon as the customer receives the parcel, submit for review here, and it usually takes up to a couple of hours for TikTok to review this, to approve this for its approval. So submit. It'll take like 24 hours max. That's it. So yeah, you don't need 5,000 plus followers to sell. So thank you for watching. I hope this video is educational for you guys, and you guys have a nice day.